already said we are going to see this weekend. Hey, stop blushing. Okay. Well. Huh? Hey, babe, I'll talk to you later. Hold on, okay?
Crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated me? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful.
Do you remember when we met? How everything was so beautiful.
Nice. You know, I've been praying for someone like you, but now I have you. I would not want this love to end. You know why?
Why?
You're so amazing. You're so wonderful.
Thank you.
Come on, baby. All right, so now we go inside. All right?
But you know that I love you.
Hey, no, I love you more.
No, I love you more.
Hey, baby, I love you more.
No, I love you more. No.
Hey, I see you want to run again, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But I don't want you to get exhausted because I'm going to Uchi Kuti. All right? I know what you want, baby. I know.
Now we are here. What happened? Why did you change? I do not deserve this harsh treatment I get from you every time. Do I? Tega, I am talking to you. Do not keep quiet as if I am blabbing.
Oh, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to do? Do you want me to dance or clap for you for reminding me that you picked me under the gutter? I have nothing to say to you, please.
Tega, I am human. I am not a punching bag.
Then what are you? What are you if you're not a punching bag? Just shut up. Beg out of my sight. I just want to have peace, and then you came with your...
Bobo, Auntie, I need you to tell me the truth. Is there anything that your madam does to Tega that makes him beat her up?
That one. He will beat me up for nothing, just like the way he beats my madam. I'm telling you the truth.
Really?
That man is a very wicked man.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Sir?
Huh? You run back into the house.
We were just trying to tell.
I will slap you.
Sorry, sir.
You stupid ass.
Good afternoon.
What is good about the afternoon? Mind your business. Crayfish.
No matter what you do for someone, they will still shatter your life. How did he forget so soon?
Hello. Excuse me.
Oh my God.
Your wallet.
Thank you so much. I didn't even know it fell.
It's okay.
Thank you. You're such a nice man. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You are playing one day, it will surely be exposed. One day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no, that's your little secret. One day, though I am a banana, nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause last, the truth must triumph. Oh, and leave all the faking and keep it real. And no God they do pass yourself.
Hello.
Cause last the
Hello.
truth must triumph. If any knows a
Hello. Hello.
No God they do pass
We just met. Why are you looking lost?
I don't even know where I'm going to.
Why? How can a young guy like you not know where he's going to?
A jobless man doesn't just have any destination. Don't even know what I'm doing.
Get inside.
Please, just allow me go, okay? I don't want to inflict you with my curse. Just let me go.
I'm insisting, please. Get inside the car.
One day, that game that you are playing, one day, it will surely be exposed. One day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no, that's your little secret. One day, though I am a banana, nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause last, the truth must triumph. Oh, and leave all the faking and keep it real. And no God they do pass yourself. Yeah, cause last, the truth must triumph. Yeah, if any knows a laser, I put up with no God they do pass yourself, babe. Because one day, everybody go know why. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Na 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 na. Because
You're welcome to my house. Make yourself comfortable while I get you something.
The house is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. You have this while I go inside the kitchen and arrange something for you to eat. Okay?
Okay, it's okay.
Feel comfortable, okay?
I'm comfortable already.
I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
one day, that game that you are playing, one day, it will surely be exposed. One day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no, that's your little secret. One day, I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause lastly, truth must triumph. Oh, and leave out the faking and keep it real. And no God they do pass yourself. Yeah, cause lastly, truth must triumph.
Sorry for my manners.
It's okay. Tell me about yourself.
Me? My dear, there's nothing about me. Nothing at all. I'm just a poor man who is striving to be a man.
Do you have a degree?
Yeah. I have a diploma.
Diploma. Okay. We can work with that.
Okay.
There's this friend of mine that just opened a plastic company. I'll talk to him about you. And I believe he's going to employ you.
For real? If you do that, I'll be grateful to you. Yeah.
It's okay, never mind. I'll talk to him, then I'll get back to you.
My dear, please do. Please. Because, I've suffered a lot. I've seen hell on earth. There's nothing good coming out from me. I've suffered so much that,
Okay, that's enough.
I've been wondering that.
Enough of the company. I believe henceforth things are going to be okay. Alright?
I believe so.
Should I get you more food?
Yeah. I want more, but especially the meat.
You like it?
It's well seasoned.
Hope you enjoy the meat.
Very well. Thanks for the meal.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're free to come around anytime you want. Just take this place like it's your home.
Okay. Thank you. I have to take my leave now.
Now? Okay. Can I get a hug at least? Come on, it's not a big deal. Nice to have you around.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hey, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I have to take my leave now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Oh, hold on. 1 minute, I'll be back.
Hello? Hey guy, how far? I've been trying to call you on the phone, you're not picking. What's up now? Has she gone? What? Ah, that means I'm going to sleep on the street today. Oh God, this is not funny. This is not funny. That means I don't have anywhere to sleep, you know. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't just want to bother you. I mean, you've done enough for me today. You gave me food to eat.
Come inside.
I should come inside. You want to add extra stomach in your house?
I'm not complaining. Come on, I can't just stand and watch a cute guy like you go out there and waste your dream on the streets. I like you already. So why not come and stay with me in this big house? I'm alone here.
I'm blushing right now, you know. I mean, thank you so much. I am not going to forget this day. You're a nice woman.
You're welcome. Can we go inside now?
Are you serious about this?
I'm serious.
Nothing is hidden under the sun, but it ain't no. That's your little secret. One day, I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause last, the truth must triumph. Oh, yeah. And leave out the faking and keep.
It's so nice. It's my size, I like it. Wow. I don't even know how to start thanking you. I've been wearing my pair of pants for a long time now, over 6 months now.
You don't have to thank me. I'm glad you're here and you're happy. Meanwhile, I spoke to my friend regarding the job, and he said you can start up next week.
For real?
Yes, you have a job.
I got a job now.
You have a job now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so happy. Oh my God. You've done enough for me. I don't even know how to start thanking you. Thank you so much. I promise you, I'll always make you happy. I'll always do whatever you want. I'll always tell you the truth. I'm not going to cheat on you. I always love you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey.
Babe.
Come on. Wake up and eat. Breakfast is ready.
Oh, babe, you shouldn't have.
What?
Oh, you're just a husband material.
Wow. Husband material? Like how many yards?
Okay, I'll give you 1,000 yards.
You're so funny. Okay, come on, eat before it gets cold.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let me sit and watch you eat. Go on. Easy, it's hot, you know. Just little by little. Just...
That's your little secret. One day, I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
No, you can't just be doing this.
But I told you I hate staying idle.
You can't be washing my clothes.
I love to wash.
Then you would have used the washing machine.
I want to do it manually. I just love washing manually.
I don't feel comfortable about this.
I don't know why you're bothering yourself over nothing. All you have to do now is to go in there, refresh, and rest. Or you come and sit and watch me.
I'll have to join you then. Let me help you.
Okay.
That's your little secret. One day, I am a banana. Nothing
Don't worry,
is hidden under the sun. Cause last the truth must triumph. And leave all the faking and making it real. And now God, they do pass yourself. Yeah. Cause last the truth must triumph. Yeah. If any myself.
I need to find Tega and see if it can work.
Because one day, everybody gonna know why nothing is here that never appreciated. What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he can never change.
Ma, should I get your tea here?
Not now. What?
Your face. You're having rough face every day. My madam I used to know is a very beautiful woman until you brought that beast in this house.
Mama, you are crossing your limit. There are certain things you're not meant to say. I am your boss. Not your shut up. I am your boss, not your playmate.
I'm sorry, ma. I just can't take this anymore. It hurts me to see you this way.
Go and wash your clothes.
I've done that, ma.
Then go and tidy the kitchen.
I have done that, ma.
Mama, just go and read your book. Go.
Tears has been my food every day. Crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing too hard, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated anything? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. Oh, he's ungrateful, and he's heartless. Oh, he's ungrateful, that I know he can never change. Oh, yeah. Tears has been my food every day. Crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is
Who cleaned what I wrote on the wall?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Who did? Huh?
It's not me. I don't know, sir.
Meanwhile, have you served breakfast?
Yes. It's on the dining table, sir.
What is that?
Yam porridge, sir.
Fool. Since when did yam porridge become breakfast? What happens to tea and omelette? Quiet. Mugu. Get out.
Sir?
Go and make me tea and omelette right now.
He's ungrateful.
You're just fair for nothing.
I'm sorry, sir.
He's ungrateful, that I know he can never change. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tears has been my food every day. Crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing too hard, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated anything? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's heartless.
What took you so long?
I'm sorry, sir.
He's never gonna change. So he's ungrateful.
Sir, should I get you the yam porridge?
No.
What about bread toast?
I said no.
Sorry. Why do you hate her so much?
I don't hate her. I'm just frustrated.
Though I don't know what that means, but that is not love.
Will you get out of here? Get out of here.
Sorry.
Some ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful that I know he can never change. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Please tell me it didn't happen again.
Why is this happening to me?
It's okay. Wipe your tears. It's okay.
Why? What have I done to deserve this, Lisa?
You have refused to listen to me. It's high time you walked out of this dark wall. You are behind a dark wall. Honestly, this kind of life is very terrible. It's a terrible one.
I'm sorry about the other day.
It's all in the past. It's okay. I came with the good news. I'll be traveling to London soon.
London?
Yes. You know your Lisa is full of surprises. He wants me to come and celebrate my birthday over there with him. And also have our wedding.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good news.
Yeah, real good news.
So you're going to be leaving me?
No, I'm not leaving you. You should be happy for me.
Of course. I'm happy for you. You are so lucky. Just look at me. See what I have become.
It's okay. But I've told you what to do. This is your house. You have to stop thinking that no man will come to you again if he leaves. Do you even look at yourself in the mirror sometimes? You are very beautiful. You are beautiful.
Thank you. But, Lisa, why am I so unlucky? Why am I so unlucky? Why?
You are not unlucky.
Why?
Okay? You have to send that beast away. So you can have a breath of fresh air. You deserve everything good.
It's not as easy as it seems.
Then make it easy. This is your house. You can't allow a stranger kill you in your own house. This makes no sense to me. Come on, send him away.
Can't. It's not that easy. Don't you get it?
Okay. Fine. I've said my own. If you like, give him your back so he can use it as a punching bag. I have some things to fix in the house.
So you're leaving?
Yeah.
Are you gonna see me before you travel?
Of course. I don't think so. But I'll call you when I get to London. Okay?
I'm going to miss you. I bought this for you.
I thought you said the money you gave me was the last you had.
Yes. But I borrowed some money from a colleague.
I see.
Okay. So why don't you try them? Let's see how it looks on you.
I'll try them tomorrow. Keep them somewhere.
Tega, why are you like this? I expected you to show appreciation, you know?
So appreciation. Eh? You should have told me that you wanted accolades. You wanted praises. Okay, so you bought me clothes, so I started showing appreciation and sing your praises. Yes.
You are so ungrateful, Tega.
What? How dare you? Are you okay? Are you mad? Something wrong with you? How dare you insult me? Huh?
No, Tega, I did not insult you. I mean, I expected you to say thank you, at least.
Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with you? Are you crazy? You wanted me to say thank you? Because you went and bought me clothes, I should jump up and hug you? Nonsense. Please, I do not want trouble. Please.
I'm sorry.
Bish. You bought me gold. Again, what I kill eh? Zuoni can get better roll you see. What is the problem? What do you want?
You've not touched me in the past 1 week.
Touchlight. So what do you want now?
I just want you to touch me.
Can you leave me alone? What is it?
You're turning me down.
Then turn yourself up if I'm turning you down. Tomorrow I'll make a half work. Please excuse me. Hello. Leave my room. Out of my room. Out of my room. Starting what you can't finish. Okay, you don't want to leave. Well, I'm not in the mood to slap you and beat you. Stay. You want me now to beat you? So that you cry, man. There. Stay there. Why did you told me it didn't happen? Now you couldn't do it. You're a liar. Liar, Mohammed. Don't mess up.
Come in. The door is open.
Hey, sis! Oh my God!
What is making my kitty for this happy? How are you? Come here. What is it? You found who?
A perfect boyfriend.
Okay, you now have a boyfriend?
A perfect one of that.
All right, tell me everything about him. Tell me more. I need to know.
Oh, okay, sister. He's rich.
Okay.
He's handsome.
All right.
Okay, but but sister, what attracted me to him is his simplicity. Man, too simple.
Wow.
He's into importation of jewelries and electronics. But if you see him here, you think he's an ordinary human being.
Wow.
Man too simple. And you
I
know
love him already.
Thank you. You have to, sister. And you know I like my men that way. You have to be simple.
Yes, and humble.
Yes, my man has to be humble, not me.
Yeah,
Not
no,
me.
no,
Yes, my man has to be humble. Then me, it's
This girl, you won't just kill somebody. Okay, you know what? I need you to invite him over. I want to see him before I travel to London.
I'm gonna do that, sister.
Okay, that would be nice.
He'll come see you before you go. Let him come see my big sister.
Oh, of course, he has to.
Oh, sister, you're eating.
Go and dish some for yourself, please. I'm not your chef. Go and dish yours. Thank you.
Me, that just come in.
Go and dish your own if you like.
Let me eat. Let me eat.
Go to the kitchen and dish your own.
I rather order. Give me meat. Give me meat. Give me meat.
This girl.
I'm your sister. I'm your sister.
Wow.
Let me go get something cold to drink.
Okay. Get for me too.
All right.
This has been my fault every day. Crying for the pains of life. Wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated?
Let's go to bed.
I'm not feeling sleepy. I don't want to sleep now.
Why are you doing this to me? It's as if I am lonely.
I don't want to go to bed. Is it a problem? Eh? You can go.
Honey.
Listen, can you stop this? I don't want to push you. I don't go.
Baby, please, let's go to bed.
I don't want this. Can't you see I don't want it? I don't want. 1 minute you're calling me a rapist. The other minute you're asking me to go to bed with you. What is wrong with you? Huh?
I want to ask you something.
I'm listening.
Do you feel anything for me?
I feel nothing for you.
Really? Oh, you feel nothing for me, yet you want to rape me at every given opportunity.
Well, in my right senses, I wouldn't even do that. Can't you see that nothing about you turns me on? Huh? How else do you want me to spell it for you? Please let me be. Go to bed. I don't want to sleep right now. Can't you see? You are not what I want. Adugo, you are not. Anyways, stand there. When you're tired, you can.
In the bag?
I thought you said you didn't have money.
Please, can I have the money?
How dare you? Eh? How dare you? Are you trying to say that I'm a thief? Is that what you're saying right now? Eh? Is that what you're saying? You're calling me a thief. Right out. Right out. You're calling me a thief, right? Silly. Next time, try it again. I'll beat you like this.
I've never appreciated. What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he can never change. He's never gonna change. Oh, yeah.
So you allowed that good for nothing fool hit you again, Atugo?
Listen, you do not insult me.
Shut up, you fool! Are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Other men are out there working so hard and making it. But you sit your lazy ass here and beat up a woman who is feeding you.
If you insult me again.
You want to hit me? Try it. Try it and see if I will not lock you up. Look at you. Oh, you think every woman is a weakling? Or do you think I am Adugo? Try it and I will lock you up. See, from today, I'll be watching you. You fool.
Lisa.
Stop it, Adugo. Don't listen to me. You are the one who gave this idiot the right to treat you like an animal. Even animals have a better life. Eh? You are not supposed to live with this ungrateful fool.
If you call me names again, if you insult me again.
What can you do? What can you do? You want to touch me? Do you realize who I am? Do you know I can make you rot in jail?
You cannot do anything, you whore. Jesus! Jesus!
Who is a whore?
Jesus!
Are you stupid?
Sorry about what happened.
You have come to mock me, right?
No. I have not come to mock you.
Really?
I just want you to know that I'm sorry about it.
Witch. I'm also a dead. And you brought a fellow Amuso Debe. You brought a fellow witch to come here and attack me. That fool threatened to kill me, to even get me arrested, beat me up with the army. Yeah? Witch.
Tega, please. Please don't call me that.
If I call you that, what will happen? You beat me. You are a witch.
Tega, do not call me that again.
You are a witch.
I am not a witch.
You are a witch.
I am not a witch. Stop it.
Jesus Christ. Somebody has grown. Aha! You now have wings. So you now talk back at Tega. Eh? You talk back at Tega. Are you mad? Who does you mura? I'm a guy is not brain, okay? Come in down, okay? Eh? Eh? Great now.
Madam, you're very lucky. You almost lost an eye. What kind of accident were you involved in?
Motorbike.
It's alright. You can come in on Wednesday for checkup.
Thank you.
And please, stay away from harsh sunlight and naked fire. Excuse me, please.
You lied to the doctor, man.
Baba, I know what I am doing.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead, if it's not a stupid one.
Why do you allow all this to happen to you? You're losing everything. Your beauty, your happiness. Now your sight is at risk.
Shut up. You know what, let's go.
This has been my fault every day. Crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work.
I'm scared, man. What if you go blind? You're scared too, right?
Oh, please, sorry for keeping you waiting. Hope you're getting better. It's okay. Please, can you close your right eye? It's alright. Can you smile? Can you smile?
Yeah, not so clear. I can't really see.
Okay, fine. Close the left eyes. Can you smile? You can smile, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. You'll be fine. Just continue with your medication. She'll be fine. Come in on Saturday for a proper checkup. Huh? You'll be okay. Huh?
Good day, Doc. Good day. What happened to your face? Nothing. It's just a little accident.
Little accident?
Yes.
I see. Is there anything you would like to tell me?
Nothing, Doc. I'm fine.
I see. Get me the report on the woman in the private ward and tell Nurse Onny to get the theater ready. You'll be assisting me in the CS.
Okay, Doc.
Strange. Hello? Yeah, how are you? I'll call you back, okay? Excuse me. Excuse me. What is this? This is not what I asked you to bring for me. What is wrong with you, Adugo?
I'm sorry, Doc.
Hello. That is not the file you came here with. Do you know what? I think you need a rest. Go home. Take a week off. Take care of whatever it is that is bothering you. You can't attend to a patient like this, as you can see. Don't worry. I understand. Okay? Feel free. Just go home and make sure you see a counselor. Alright? Everything will be fine. Just go.
This has been my fault every day. Crying for the pains of love. Wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he can never change. He's never gonna change.
Tega, who was the girl I saw you with?
Hello. You know, I joke him on Elias. A young man like me, you're asking me what is wrong with me having numerous girlfriends? Eh? What's wrong with that?
Tega, you take my money to other girls and you stand in front of me and ask me what is wrong with that?
Come on. Why are you sounding as if I am betrothed to you? I am not. You are just my concubine, hello.
What?
You say?
What did you say?
Of course you heard me. You're just my concubine. One off. ATM machine. ATM, automated teller machine. That's what you are. Hello. You fool.
I'm a fool.
Come on. What are you talking about? What are you saying? You're a fool. You're a fool. Huh? You don't give me joy. You don't give me happiness. So let me sort it elsewhere.
Tega, you said this to me.